upbeat background music starts. Hey there, Buy Smart family. Welcome back to another episode where we help you make those all-important purchasing decisions. Today, we have a drone showdown between the Ruko U11S and the Tamiz 4K. It's an epic battle of the skies, so buckle up and let's dive right into it. Screen splits, showing Ruko U11S on the left and Tamiz 4K on the right. First up, let's talk about the price. Now, if your wallet is tighter than your jeans after Thanksgiving, you're gonna love the Tamiz 4K. Coming in at just $99, it's practically a steal. On the other hand, the Ruko U11S will set you back $283. That's almost 3 times the price. But hey, maybe you like your drones like you like your coffee, expensive and with a touch of sophistication. Next, let's zoom into the camera quality. Both drones boast a 4K camera, which is fantastic. The Ruko U11S has a 90 degrees adjustable camera, perfect for capturing those epic aerial shots. Meanwhile, the Tamiz 4K not only matches the Ruko with its 90 degrees adjustable camera, but also throws in a 110 degrees FOV lens and an extra camera at the bottom. It's like the Swiss Army knife of drones, more angles than a geometry textbook. Now on to flight time. The Ruko U11S promises a solid 20 minutes per battery, and since it comes with an extra battery, you're looking at a total of 40 minutes of airborne fun. The Tamiz 4K, however, doesn't flex its battery life as much. So if you want to spend more time in the sky and less time charging, Ruko might be your wingman. Ease of use is crucial, especially if you're a newbie who thinks a joystick is a type of candy. The Ruko U11S is designed with beginners in mind, featuring 1 key functions and a transmitter that charges directly. No more scrambling for AA batteries like it's the 90s. The Tamiz 4K, though, takes things up a notch with one-touch takeoff, altitude hold, and headless mode. Plus, it's packed with fun features like gravity control and 3D flips. It's like the drone equivalent of a video game cheat code. Let's talk about portability and design. The Ruko U11S folds up to the size of a mobile phone, making it the perfect travel buddy. Meanwhile, the Tamiz 4K's futuristic foldable design, complete with a carrying case, makes it look like it flew straight out of a sci-fi movie. And, weighing less than 250 grams, you can dodge the FAA registration like Neo dodges bullets in The Matrix. Last but not least, customer service. Both companies promise stellar support, but Ruko offers a 30-day return and a 90-day warranty. If you're the kind of person who tends to break things, Ruko might have your back. Tamiz, on the other hand, assures you that their customer service reps are always ready to help you out. So whether you crash your drone into a tree or just can't figure out how to turn it on, someone's got your back. When looking at customer reviews, the Ruko U11S is praised for its solid performance, ease of use, and suitability for both beginners and experienced users. Reviewers appreciate its camera quality and extended flight time, although some mention the remote control's durability could be improved. On the other hand, the Tamiz 4K is commended for its affordability, ease of use, and fun features. However, some users have experienced issues with durability and customer service. Overall, both drones have their strengths and weaknesses, making them suitable for different types of users. And there you have it, folks. The Ruko U11S and the Tamiz 4K, 2 drones, each with their own set of strengths. If you're balling on a budget, the Tamiz 4K is your go-to. But if you're looking for extended flight time and a bit more finesse, the Ruko U11S is worth the splurge. Let us know in the comments which drone you'd pick and why. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a Buy Smart showdown. Until next time, fly high and buy smart. Music fades out. See you in the next video. Botkin fades to black with Buy Smart logo.